My dear friends, today I will show a video of phacoemulsification surgery of grade 5 myelosclerosis patient. After making the right side port, make a side port on the left side. Then inject 0.6% trypin blue dye. Wash the dye after 10 to 6 seconds. Then inject 2% hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose in the anterior chamber. Now take a 26 gauge needle and bend the tip, make a cystitone and do the continuous curvilinear capsulorhexis. In hard cataract, always make a good size rhexis. Small rhexis can lead to genodialysis or other complication. Now, after making rhexis, make the main port. See, this is posterior limbal incision and after making the main port, do the hydrodissection with very little amount of fluid. Tape the nucleus slightly and then inject HPMC from right side port. Rotate the nucleus like this. Now free rotation of the nucleus indicating there is no any corticocapsular adhesion. Again inject some HPMC and then start the phacoemulsification. In this case, I will do the modified direct chop and I will use sharp chopper for the chopping of this grade 4 to 5 cataract nucleus. Emulsify superficial cortex, make a trench like this and then rotate the nucleus like this. Rotate the nucleus and then hold the nucleus at one side and chop. See how beautifully this sharp chopper is chopping the nucleus. Now make multiple chops like this. Emulsify the free nuclear pieces simultaneously. And this is the last piece emulsification. After emulsifying every quadrant, now inject some HPMC in the anterior chamber and then remove the remaining cortex. This Synco cannula is very good instrument for removal of the cortex It creates 5 to 10 millimeter of mercury pressure vacuum. See, every movement is in our hand. Remove subincisional cortex like this from 12 o'clock incision. Inject 2% HPMC and then here I am removing subincisional cortex below the main port. We can also use bimanual cannula. Now I am injecting or implanting this hydrophobic aspheric preloaded IOL. How beautifully it is delivered in the anterior chamber. After injecting the intraocular lens, dialed the trailing haptics and make sure that both the limbs are in the bag. This is Carl Zeiss lens, CT Lucia. Its delivery is very good in the anterior chamber. Smooth delivery, and now removing the HPMC from the anterior chamber and from behind the lens. After thorough removal of the HPMC, injects 0.1 ml, 0.5 ml pilocarpine, wash it thoroughly like this, and then inject preservative-free moxifloxacin. And after injecting the preservative-free moxifloxacin, I am hydrating the wound. In this case, I am hydrating all the 3 wounds like this. First right side wound, and then left side port wound, and main wound. Thank you for watching my video.